In this video, I'm going to show you how to really harness the power of Google Search for your classroom and for your students. I don't have a lot of time to go over specific examples here, so I'm going to show you what Google Search is capable of doing, how to figure out what you need to have done, and then I will post links to these Help Center pages in the description of the video. One way you can advance your search capabilities is to refine web searches using a number of the different tools that Google allows you to use. Right? If you go to this page, which will be the first link in the description, there are ways that you can search for content specifically on social media sites. If you're shopping for something, you can search specifically for a price. You can search specific hashtags, exact matches. You can exclude words from your search. Combine searches, so maybe there's a couple of different ways that you might come up with it and you want to make sure you account for both of them. So most of these techniques are really unnoticed by what I would imagine is a vast amount of Google users, but these are some ways that you can get the most out of Google Search by refining your web searches. Another way that you can get the most out of Google Search is to do advanced searches. Right, so you can search for exact phrases or words. You can search for any page that contains a list of words or excludes words, things like that. Do an advanced search. There's a number of different file types that you can use this on for web pages and files. There are a bunch of different ways that you can advance your search query. Images, there's a bunch of different ways that you can better look for what you're trying to find. This is really just a great resource for sifting through a lot of the stuff you don't want on Google in order to find the stuff that you do want. So these are a couple of really great resources that you can use, and the more you use them, you'll just remember what they are, and it will make your work searching for things on Google that much quicker.